In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a free professional website for your business with free hosting and a free domain. So first things first, what you need to do is to go to this page, pantheon.io, and this is the platform which we'll be using to create the website. So what you need to do is to click on start for free or get started. I've already created an account. However, this is what it will look like on the sign up page. So I'll go ahead and sign into my account and I'll see you guys there. So once you get to the Pantheon dashboard, it will look just like this. So what you'd be required to do is to click on the option that says sites, and you would need to create a new site. So let's click on create a new site. And here is where you'd be required to enter the name of your Pantheon site. So we could basically call this anything. Let's say jewelry cart. That is a website which I've had in the past. And now you'd need to select the region in which you'd want your site to be located. And as you can see, we have the developer site URL to the right. So let's click on continue. Okay, so from here, you would be required to choose your CMS, which will basically give you control in customizing your site. And we have a few options here, Drupal and WordPress. So we will be selecting the WordPress option. And what you'd be required to do is to simply click on deploy. So let's deploy WordPress. That might take a few minutes or a few seconds to deploy. Okay, so once it has been deployed, what you need to do is to click on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Now this is basically the back end of your site, and from here you'd have control over things that run in the background. So from here, what you need to do next is to click on visit development site. As you can see, this is the developer settings. So from this page, you would need to click on visit developer site, and this will start the WordPress installation. So you click on next, and then you'd need to enter the site title. So we'd enter jewelry cart. You would need to enter your username. So this is basically what you'd use to log into your WordPress dashboard. And then you'd need to enter a strong password. Be sure to enter something that you'll remember. And then let's click on install WordPress. Okay, so now it will ask you to log into the WordPress dashboard. We'll simply click on login with the information which we saved before. Okay, so now we're on the WordPress dashboard. What to do next? So from here, this is where you'd install custom plugins and so on. So you need to go into plugins and add a plugin. And for this, we're doing this in order to get the site builder in order to fully customize our site. So from here, what you need to search for is Astra. And this will give you the basic website developer or the basic website builder for free. And you need to click on the one that says starter templates, Elementor, Gutenberg, and Beaver Builder. So you need to install that one and wait just for a second. You need to activate it as well. So after it has been installed, you need to click on activate and give it some time to activate. As you can see, we have the plugin activated. So from here, what you'd be required to do is to go to appearance, and you'd need to select starter templates. So that is after you've installed the plugin, you need to go to appearance, starter templates, and this is where you choose the specific website builder for your site, which one you'd like to use to customize your site. So as you can see, we are on the default themes. However, under starter builder, that is where we'd have control over basically all of our website, the back end and so on. So let's go to starter builder, starter template, sorry. And from here, we would need to select the page builder for our website. So the one which I'd recommend you to use is Elementor. You could check out the others. So Elementor is a smooth and unique one, so that is why I'll be choosing that one for today's video. So once you've clicked on Elementor, It will basically carry you through the list or the display of themes which are available for the website. So this is a simple business website, so we could click on, as you can see, some of those are premium, those are paid. However, you have quite a few free ones which are useful and they are good. So you could simply click on any one of those free ones and it will take you right into the site installation process. So let's scroll and see which one we would like to use for our website. Okay, so this one seems nice, simply natural. So once you've clicked on it, you could preview the site, which will basically show you how it will look if you were to have that website. So let's look at it. So this is a preview of what Simply Natural would look like. So let's go back, and what you need to do next is to import the complete site. So this will basically import the entire plugins and all of that. So click on I'm a beginner, and you're creating this for yourself, or you could be doing this for your client, and so on. So you could also add your name and email. However, you could also skip this option. So let's click on skip, and the importing process has begun. So this will take a few minutes or seconds depending on how fast your internet is to import the site. And once the site has been imported successfully, you will get a notification saying congratulations, this site has been imported and all of that. So as you can see, import successful. So you need to click on visit site, and once you visit site, you need to click on edit with Elementor. Now this is where the fun will begin. So let's give the Elementor editor some time to load, and then we'll dive into the basics of Elementor. So as you can see from this, it is basically a simple type or select and type, and it will basically update anything you do in the website. So as you can see, we have these here. If we should select in any of the text box and type anything, it will automatically update right away. So that is the cool feature about Elementor. You could drag these panels around, rearrange them. You could select any one of the images and so on and so forth, which would basically give your website a unique look. So basically you'll be setting up your website to how you like it. And as I've said, you could select any one of these, click on the pencil icon beside any one of the boxes, and it will show you what all the elements of that box, and you could simply change anything. So you could change the text, you could change the images and all of that. So that is the cool or the unique feature of Elementor editor builder. So that is why I'd recommend you to give this one a try. And as I've said, you could try the other two, Gutenberg and Beaver Builder, see if you'd like any one of those better. So that is it. That basically wraps up this video. We created a basic site with a basic layout, and once more you could change all of these images, you could change all of these text to whatever your preference is, and basically personalize your website to your specifications. And this does not take that long to do. If you have all the elements of your website organized already, this would take you possibly 2 hours to fully customize this site and have everything up and running just the way you want. So feel free to check this out, guys. Let me know in the comments if you like this site, Pantheon.io, the website builder platform. So thank you guys for watching. That is it.